You can watch the corresponding video to see all the steps you need to complete to set up a vortex cleaner. Connect the control box to the cleaner and then submerge it. Move it around so that the air is released from the cleaner. Make sure you have your Wi-Fi password ready before you start. Download the app iAqualink from the App Store or Google Play. Log in after you have created your account. Click on Plus. Click on Add a robot cleaner. Click on Wi-Fi Direct. On the control box, press the Wi-Fi button. Go to the settings on your tablet or smartphone and connect to the robotic cleaner and 3 letters network. Now that the connection is enabled, you can go back to the iAqualink app. Click on steps 1, 2, 3 completed. Click on Next. Select the time zone. Select the shape of your pool. Click on Next. Click on Next. Select your network and enter your password. If you are the primary user, click on Select. You can invite other users by sending them a code, which will give them access to the control settings. Otherwise, click on Skip. Your cleaner is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. The 2 web and LAN LEDs are lit up. You can now start a cycle, even remotely. You can adjust the cleaning time, program your cleaner in advance, control the cleaner's movement. To lift the cleaner out of the water, use the lift system function.